So my drawers are always a mess, and I got these liners. These liners have star design on it. They're scented with baby scent. Oh my goodness, it is so smelling so nice. They come with 10 pieces of liners, and I can cut them if they're not to size, but these are really good quality sturdy liners, and even cutting them is so easy to cut. They cut really well. I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness, my whole room was smelling so fresh, so nice. So after I lined it, I started folding all my items in there. Now, one thing that I love about this liner is how big they are. They're 19.5 by 14 inches. So they're big enough for any size of drawers that I might have, and they give a fresh air and a pleasant mood and decor. My shelving area, my drawer looks so beautiful and well kept.